my name's Sunny and I'm the Science Director here at TRACC. Here on Pom Pom Island, Borneo, historic dynamite fishing has decimated the reefs. Due to the steep slopes and moving rubble, the reef has not been able to re-establish. I have been working with TRACC volunteers for the last 5 years to find ways to restore the reef. We have been experimenting with many solutions such as bottle reef, step reef, soft coral nets and mineral accretion. I have been lucky enough to work with Michael Hedberg, who has a wealth of knowledge deploying reefs around the world. He has helped us design our latest solution, which artificially rehabilitates the crest, named ARC Reef for short. He has guided us to ensure our reefs last for over 500 years. Additionally, he has helped us reduce the pH to approximately 8.3, a preferred alkaline level for corals. Essentially, these are individual blocks that are placed on the destroyed reef crest, which we layer in 2 rows to provide stability. Individual colonies of corals are planted between the joins, which acts as a natural glue, increasing rigidity over time as the colonies grow. The fragments from these colonies are planted in close proximity to one another. They grow radially, reforming one colony. This technique speeds up the growth of the coral and is known as microfragging. This project is now run by TRACC Reef Masters, who pass their skills from volunteer to volunteer. This week, we put the first ARC reefs in. We are looking forward to monitor the coral growth over the coming months and years.